My understanding on wetlands came about 2 years ago when I was preparing for an inter-school competition. Since then, I've dug into this topic and realized that although there's an increase in the awareness on how important wetlands are, the associated action is sadly inadequate. Wetlands are the community's first line of defense in dealing with extreme weather conditions such as storms, floods, etc. They help in recharging the groundwater and serve important ecological functions such as providing a habitat for wildlife, removing pollutants from water, and I know it's starting to sound boring, but you better sit up and listen because it is critical that we are aware and do something about it. Here is one of the many reasons why. In November 2015, Chennai received unprecedented rainfall. The houses and streets were completely flooded. Despite the city's residents rising up to the occasion with rescue missions, nearly 188 people died. If only the city's Palikarnai marshland had not been sacrificed to urbanization and industrialization, it would have acted as a natural flood sink and saved a lot of damage. The Palikarnai marshland that originally covered an area of 12,000 acres has now shrunk to a mere 1,470 acres, nearly one-tenth its original size. It was also once home to rare and endangered species of many birds and animals. It was also a forage and breeding ground for migratory birds, but right now, it just resembles a wasteland. Management of wetlands has not received enough attention. There is a Ramsar Convention that helps with the conservation efforts, but there are actions that we can do on our own. First, know where the wetlands are in your neighborhood and check on how much of it still remains. Then, you can help preserve them by, say, putting a fence around it or removing encroachments. For this, you may have to team up with NGOs and volunteer groups who are working on this cause. Also, increase the awareness in your school and your neighborhood on wetlands and the importance of conserving them. A Chennai-based biodiversity research organization called the Care Earth Trust has been working with the government on wetland conservation and recently even revived the Narayanapuram wetland, which is part of the Palikarnai marshland. So there is still a ray of hope, and it depends on us. I hope that each one of us can play a role in the conservation of the delicate wetland ecosystem. Thank you.